This video tutorial I will explain binary search method of arrays class which accept float array, from index, to index and the key. Here I have defined the class arrays demo. Here I have defined the float array. It has 5 float values. Then I am calling sort method of arrays class and passing float array and from indexes 0, which is this position, and from index is inclusive, and to indexes 4, which is this position, and to index is exclusive. What this sort method will do is it sort the float array content into ascending order in this range, because from index is inclusive and to index is exclusive. And after sorting, I am displaying the float array content. Here I have defined the key as 8.6. Then I am calling binary search method of arrays class and passing float array from indexes 0 to indexes 4 and key as 8.6. What this binary search method will do is it searches the key 8.6 in this float array and in this range. In this from index is inclusive and to index is exclusive. So this method search this key 8.6 in this range, and here the key 8.6 is present in the first index position. So this method returns indexes 1. Before calling a binary search method, the range must be sorted, else we will get undefined result. That is the reason before calling this binary search method, using sort method of arrays class, the range in the float array has been sorted. You can get Java source code link from the description of the video. In mobile, to see the description, click on this icon. It will expand like this, and here you can see the description. It contains Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.